Good afternoon. Video message for David. David, hi. So I'm a bit late doing the video. Thanks for buying the Frontier yesterday, the Danarm. She was over in my other workshop. I thought somebody else was coming over to buy her and collect her, and then I didn't bring her back. But anyway, she's back over here now, and I will show her starting and running one last time before I box her up. And you might know about this anyway, but just to remind, because it's how the Frontier or the Danarm right hand pull starts tend to get broken, is if you're going to start her, always start her with the guide bar on, because the spacing and the correct seating of the pulley onto the dogs or onto the starter pulls relies upon that being clamped in tight, unlike on the clutch cover. And when you do it up, when you put the guide bar on, if you just position it and then pull the handle slightly, because people, again, if they're not used to a right hand pull start, when they clamp them up, they end up clamping the metal pulley actually on top of the sprung loaded pulls, and then they end up bending them in. So just a couple of things to be aware of. So she's not started since the video, so probably, well, it's probably 3 weeks, and I didn't want to start her so that you could get the chance to see her completely cold, out the car, not run. So kill switch, choke, throttle lock, what's that, 4 pulls, choke off. David, hope you love the saw. So genuinely, that's after all that time sat, and she just runs the same every time, and it's absolutely a beautiful running engine with the electronic ignition. Ferocious as well. Hope you love the saw. I'll get her boxed up and packed carefully tonight and be with the couriers tomorrow. Bye for now, sir.